Namaste, I'm Jalpa merchant and I am representing my country India at the Mrs. Globe pageant in California. The title that I am carrying is Mrs. Indian Ocean Classique Globe 2026. We believe in the phrase Atithi Devo Bhava, which in fact in Hinduism means that our guest is like God, and the spirit of warmth and openness is what we carry in our everyday lives. Personally, I believe in a simple philosophy: live and let live. I accept people the way they are, and I hold these values with utmost patience and quiet strength. And when I walk on the global stage, I carry with me a deep sense of honor, a cosmic connection, and the soul of my country, India.